place while the accused continues to be in the CBI custody. Now shifting our focus to another important story that we're tracking very closely at this moment. India has rejected summons issued by the US court against the NSA Ajit Doval, a summons based on the complaint by SFG's Sikh for Justice Pannoon Foreign Secretary, and reacted strongly, saying that these summons are unwarranted and unsubstantiated imputations. The Ministry of External Affairs has said that no change in the view about the situation will be made. Now, India also said that these are, of course, the unwarranted and unsubstantiated claims that have been made by the US court.
Yes, I think Rishabh has raised this. Look, again, as we said earlier, these are completely unwarranted and unsubstantiated imputations. Now that these this particular case has been lodged, it doesn't change our views about the underlying situation. I would only invite your attention to the person behind this particular case, whose antecedents are well known. I would also underline the fact that the organization so-called that this person represents is an unlawful organization, has been declared as such under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act of 1967, and it has been done so on account of its involvement in anti-national and subversive activities aimed at disrupting the sovereignty and territorial integrity of India. And I don't want to say anything.
All right, viewers, my colleague Sambhav Sharma joins me at this point of time. Sambhav, very good morning to you. But as we're tracking the latest in India's reaction over the lawsuit that has been filed by the US, India designated terrorist Pannoon has also claimed that there was a conspiracy orchestrated by the Indian officials to assassinate him. And while India, the MEA specifically, has now reacted sharply criticizing the lawsuit that has been filed by the US.
Well, the Ministry of External Affairs, the officials for the Ministry of External Affairs have very clearly pointed it out as this lawsuit is completely unacceptable. This is the official stance. However, let's talk about this lawsuit a bit. It's a lawsuit which is filed in one of the courts in the United States, because Pannoon is the citizen of US as well as Canada. So he filed a lawsuit in the United States stating that there is an assassination plot against him, and on which the US court has summoned the government of India, former RWA chief, and Ajit Doval, and they'll have to file a response, a reply within 21 days. That's what the order of the court says. However, having said that, Indian government, and especially the Ministry of External Affairs, has pointed it out like this lawsuit in itself is completely unwarranted. And let's talk about this man Pannoon, who is a Khalistani terrorist and booked in India under stringent laws like UAPA, among others.
So, all right, Sambhav, thank you for sharing the latest that we're tracking in India's reaction.